Today I'm making chocolate cake. This is made of 2 thin layers of chocolate cake separated by a thin layer of Nutella, then decorated with some powdered sugar to resemble a ribboned present. This decoration makes it ideal to be served at a Christmas party or birthday. Let's go to the ingredients. For this cake I use 400 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 180 milliliters of sparkling water, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 235 grams of sugar, and 135 milliliters of vegetable oil and a dash of salt. I begin by combining sugar, flour, cocoa powder, and a dash of salt. And in a separate bowl, I combine vegetable oil and my 2 eggs. Then I pour the egg mixture into the dry ingredients and combine and add 90 milliliters of sparkling water at first, and then the remainder of the sparkling water. Once combined, I move over to the baking soda and white wine vinegar. I simply add the teaspoon of baking soda to the white wine vinegar until it foams up, and then immediately add this foamed mixture into my batter. This is going to create a really soft, fluffy texture. Then I pour the cake batter in my baking pan. I'm using one that's about 25 centimeters wide and 36 centimeters long. Then in a preheated oven, this cake is going to bake for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And this is what it looks like when it's done. I level the cake off while it's still hot. And then add small chunks of butter to this cake. Those are going to melt and be absorbed by the cake and make it really rich in texture. It also tastes amazing with the Nutella. So I'm using about 2 full tablespoons of Nutella and spreading that onto the cake, combining that well with the butter. That's so delicious. Then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar to this, and then cut my cake in half and fold one half over the other. Then I cut the sides to get really nice sharp edges. And then I work on my template. So I've prepared this template. It's a ribbon template, which I will link below for you, and you can print this out at home. It's in a DIN A4 format and PDF, so you can just print it out at home, cut out the template, and recreate this cake. With a little bit of Nutella, I attach the ribbon to the cake. Then I dust on powdered sugar very generously on top of the ribbon and the entire cake. And then finally, and very gently, I remove the ribbon from the cake. guys enjoyed this recipe, let me know by commenting below and giving this video a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.